I hope you all are doing wonderful. So, let me share a situation. Uh, while you were sleeping last night, your company had a meeting about you, and the meeting was not about your promotion, and even it was not for your salary hike or increment. The meeting was about how to get your work done without you. Now, if you think AI will replace jobs in 2027, you are already late because it's happening and it's right now. In my 23 years of corporate experience, I have seen recessions, I have seen layoffs and hiring booms and spikes. But, but what's happening right now? I mean, this is absolutely different. Roles are not being cut loudly, they are disappearing silently. And in this video, I'll show you how companies are replacing people without firing them. The real proof happening inside organizations. And most importantly, what you need to do starting today to stay relevant is what we are going to cover in this video. So by the end of this video, you'll know one thing very clearly and surely. Are you safe or already at risk? So let me ask you, something. Uh, think about the last 6 months of your career journey, or to the place where you belong to, the domain, the industry, the function, and whatever you have been doing. Now, why I'm asking this is, if at all you are, let's say, you are rewinding last 6 months of your career journey, right, whichever place you are you noticing something? Let's say, are you noticing that there are less hiring in your company as per the trend? Or have you noticed any positions which has been on hold for quite some time? Or let's say suddenly you are expected to do more with same resources, but the productivity parameters have all of a sudden spiked. Now, if any of it is there, now this is not random, this is a shift. Because earlier, companies scaled by hiring people, and now they scale by using technology. And AI is not helping anymore, it is just replacing. But here's the smart part of this: companies are not firing immediately, they are reducing dependency, which means when someone leaves, they don't replace them, right? Now, teams are getting smaller. Output are kind of again enhanced or getting high, and nobody is talking about it. And this is called silent replacement. Now, let's get it down from kind of to maybe bring more clarity. First, see, the silent replacement is all about, let's say, at a time there's a task and there are three people who are doing one task, right? Only. Now, in the revised work order, there's one person, and then there is an AI, and the same work is getting performed, and maybe at a much improvised parameters of productivity. So next time someone resigns, the company does not hire again. I mean, not because of budget, maybe, but because they don't need to. So ask yourself honestly, can your work be automated? And if the answer is yes, you are already replaceable. So now listen carefully. Your biggest threat is not AI. It is your predictability. If your work is repetitive, rule-based, and process-driven, AI will learn it faster than you. But if your work involves, let's say, thinking, or decision-making, or communicating, or influencing, or persuading, or convincing, or any of these which are more of a cognitive competence, then you still matter. So AI replaces tasks, but AI can't replace thinkers, right? With cognitive competence. So stop focusing on doing work. They start focusing on maybe solving problems. So now here's the mistake most people are making while approaching in the current nuanced circumstances. They are ignoring AI. Now, either they are scared or they think this is not for me, right? Big mistake. Because companies are now hiring people who can use AI or work faster than before and deliver more productivity. Now, it is not AI versus you, right? It's you with AI. It's a repackaging, right? One bundle. Okay? Versus you without it. And you already know who's going to win in that case, right? So simple action. Pick one AI tool in your domain which is contributing or amplifying the productivity outcomes. Right? You start mastering it in the next maybe 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, whatever roadmap you're going to reskill artists with. And now understand the new career. Earlier, the career rules used to be work hard and get growth. Now the career rules, which is the revised version, is work smart and stay relevant. Then you survive and grow. So your career depends on just three things now. Your adaptability, which is of course the way you are complying with AI or any new age technology. Your learning speed, the way you are evolving, right? And your ability to create impact. These are really important. Right? If you don't upgrade, you don't stay where you are. You become invisible, you become redundant. So stagnation is the biggest risk today. So what you should do, starting today, very simple. Step one, start auditing your own room, right? As we spoke. Write your daily tasks. Check what could be automated and which AI can be incorporated, right? To amplify productivity parameters. Identify what can be automated. Step two is upgrade your skills. Start thinking about reskilling, upskilling. If there's a scope, focus on communication, focus on areas which are more pertaining to cognitive competencies in terms of problem solving or decision making. AI, 100%. And then step three is increase visibility. Try to speak up, try to make comment, maybe share ideas, take ownership and command wherever it's needed. Because people who are visible are going to be the one who are going to be replaced last. So let me ask you something new. If your company had to replace it tomorrow, how you would it be? Think about it. And here's the truth. You don't lose your job because of AI. You lose your job because you didn't work. AI is not here to destroy your career. It is here to expose who is growing and who is stuck. The future does not belong to the most experienced. It belongs to the most adaptable. So don't fear AI. Ask yourself, how can I use AI to become unstoppable? Because once you do that, you are no longer replaceable. You become valuable. And if this made you think even a little, don't ignore it. Because awareness without action is just redundant. Start today, upgrade yourself, stay ahead of the time, and remember AI will not replace you, but someone who uses AI will. So if this added value, please ensure that you're hitting the like button and share this with someone, a dear colleague of yours, a dear coworker, a friend of yours, someone who needs it. And also ensure to subscribe, right, to keep getting access to all the coming videos. And for practical, no nonsense career growth strategy, and also comment, upgrade if you are serious about your career growth. I'll see you in the next video.